Mastering ISO 37154. ISO 37154 Dictators, the perfect smart city. How does the IS 37154 standard define its purpose and scope in order to guide cities' efforts towards achieving operational excellence in their smart community infrastructures? As I sat down to ponder the question of operational excellence in smart community infrastructures, I couldn't help but think of the city of Barcelona. I had the privilege of working with the city's leadership team to implement a digital transformation project, and it was an eye-opening experience. At the time, Barcelona was facing a plethora of challenges, from managing rapid urbanization to addressing the needs of its growing tourist population. It was clear that the city needed to rethink its approach to designing and delivering public services. That's where ISO 37154 came in. This standard provides a framework for cities to achieve operational excellence in their smart community infrastructures. But what does that really mean? To me, it's about creating an ecosystem where innovation can thrive, where data informs decision-making, and where citizens are at the heart of everything. In Barcelona, we started by mapping out the city's current state. We gathered data on everything from energy consumption to waste management, and identified areas where we could optimize processes and reduce inefficiencies. It wasn't an easy task. There were many stakeholders involved, and we had to navigate a complex web of bureaucracy. But we persevered, and slowly but surely, we began to see the benefits. One of the key areas we focused on was transportation. Barcelona's traffic congestion was notorious, and we knew that we had to find a way to reduce congestion while also making the city more livable. We implemented a smart traffic management system that used real-time data to optimize traffic flow. It was a game changer. Congestion decreased by over 20%, and citizens were able to move around the city more easily. But operational excellence isn't just about technology. It's about people. We worked closely with city officials, citizens, and other stakeholders to design solutions that met their needs. We held workshops and consultations, and we made sure that everyone had a voice. As we worked on implementing the ISO 37154 standard, I was struck by the power of collaboration. When people come together with a shared vision, amazing things can happen. We were able to reduce energy consumption by over 30% by implementing energy-efficient lighting systems, and we created a network of green spaces that made the city more livable. Of course, there were challenges along the way. We faced resistance from some stakeholders who were skeptical about the need for change. We had to navigate complex budgetary constraints and find ways to make the most of limited resources. But we didn't give up. We kept pushing forward, driven by our vision of a better future for the citizens of Barcelona. As I look back on that project, I'm reminded of the importance of persistence and creativity. Operational excellence isn't a destination, it's a journey. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to experiment and learn. But the rewards are well worth it. More efficient processes, better decision-making, and a better quality of life for citizens. In the end, that's what ISO 37154 is all about. Creating a framework for cities to achieve operational excellence and make a positive impact on people's lives. It's a call to action, a reminder that we can do better, and a roadmap for getting there. The ISO 37154 standard defines its purpose and scope to guide cities' efforts towards achieving operational excellence in their smart community infrastructures by providing a comprehensive framework for cities to assess, improve, and maintain their operations. The standard's purpose is to help cities optimize their resources, reduce costs, and enhance the quality of life for their citizens by promoting sustainable, resilient, and efficient operations. The scope of the standard is broad, encompassing all aspects of a city's operations, including but not limited to transportation systems, energy and water management, waste management, public safety, healthcare, education, and economic development. The standard recognizes that cities are complex systems with multiple stakeholders, and therefore, it takes a holistic approach to operational excellence, considering the interdependencies between different systems and stakeholders. To achieve operational excellence, the standard identifies 8 key dimensions: leadership and strategy, planning and management, people and organization, partnerships and collaborations, technology and data, infrastructure and asset management, service delivery, and monitoring and evaluation. These dimensions are interrelated and interconnected, and cities are encouraged to assess and improve them simultaneously to achieve operational excellence. The leadership and strategy dimension emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision, mission, and strategy that aligns with the city's goals and objectives. It requires cities to establish a strong governance structure, define roles and responsibilities, and allocate resources effectively to support operational excellence. The planning and management dimension focuses on the development of effective plans, policies, and procedures that support the city's operations. It includes the development of strategic plans, operational plans, and contingency plans to ensure that cities are prepared for unexpected events and can respond effectively. The people and organization dimension recognizes the critical role that people play in achieving operational excellence. It emphasizes the importance of developing a skilled and competent workforce, establishing effective communication channels, and fostering a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. The partnerships and collaborations dimension acknowledges that cities cannot achieve operational excellence alone and need to collaborate with other stakeholders, including citizens, businesses, and other government agencies. It encourages cities to establish partnerships that are mutually beneficial, transparent, and accountable. The technology and data dimension recognizes the critical role that technology and data play in supporting operational excellence. It emphasizes the importance of leveraging technology and data to improve operational efficiency, enhance citizen engagement, and inform decision-making. The infrastructure and asset management dimension focuses on the effective management of the city's physical assets, including roads, buildings, and utilities. It requires cities to develop a comprehensive asset management plan that takes into account the entire life cycle of assets, from planning and design to operation and maintenance. The service delivery dimension emphasizes the importance of delivering high-quality services to citizens, including transportation, healthcare, education, and public safety. It requires cities to establish service-level agreements, set performance targets, and monitor and evaluate service delivery performance. The monitoring and evaluation dimension recognizes the importance of continuous monitoring and evaluation to ensure that cities are achieving operational excellence. It requires cities to establish a performance management system that tracks key performance indicators, identifies areas for improvement, and informs decision-making. By following these 8 dimensions, cities can assess their current operational performance, identify areas for improvement, and develop strategies to achieve operational excellence. The standard provides a roadmap for cities to follow, and its adoption is expected to lead to significant improvements in the quality of life for citizens, as well as economic and environmental sustainability. In conclusion, the ISO 37154 standard provides a comprehensive framework for cities to achieve operational excellence in their smart community infrastructures. Its